Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. First and foremost, I lightened my hair, as you guys can tell. So I've been really wanting to do something different because I love wearing dark shirts, and my hair, as you can tell, is really dark and really long. It's like touching my butt when I straighten it. So I wanted to do something different. When I do wear dark shirts, my hair kind of just camouflages with the shirt. So I started lightening my hair. I added just two little pieces here and here. They're kind of like peekaboo pieces down here, so you can't really tell that much. But then I have like two strands here as well that are lightened, so these you can kind of tell a little bit more. I want it to be a pink color, but my hair is really dark and needs to go through a lot of lightening sessions to get to a light cute pink color. So it's gonna be like this for a while. I didn't just want to go white from my dark hair because it's kind of almost impossible, and two, it will damage my hair and I don't want it to get damaged. So that's how it is right now. So yeah, that's first and foremost. Second foremost, I wanted to redecorate my little cubicle here. I've been in my studio, my current studio, for about 3 years now, and I have always been redecorating. My recliner once upon a time was here. My gallery wall was once upon a time over here. This canvas was once upon a time over here. I've moved my studio around so many times and redecorated my little little shelf up there. I've redecorated it so many times. And my cubicle, I've just never found pieces that have spoken to me. So all these pieces here are probably gonna stay, but I got some new pieces at home last week. And the reason why I wanted to redecorate was because Forever Rose reached out to me and wanted to send me the Forever Roses for my studio. I had been in this rut because this year, of course, happened and I couldn't go to stores to redecorate my studio or anything like that, and I was getting really tired of how my studio was looking. So when Rose Forever, this is their little logo here, when they reached out to me and they wanted to send me some roses for the studio, I was so excited. This one is called like the ivory. Ooh, let me look it up for you guys. This one is the essential round ivory. They have so many on their website. They have really big ones. They have, I think this is the smallest one. I felt like this was perfect for my studio because my studio is small. So these, you guys could gift them to like your Lash sister, your mom, your actual sister, your daughter, if you guys have kids. I feel like these are just perfect. You can use my code Jesicavxo15 and they'll give you $15 off your first purchase. I'll have them linked down below for you guys. But I personally love fresh roses. Unfortunately, here in my studio, they just last me about a week and a half, and then I have to toss them out. With these, they're gonna last you a whole year. These are just so beautiful. Sometimes you purchase roses at the store and they're already kind of dark on the sides. These came like this, and look how beautiful they look. I've had them for about a week and they look fabulous. They look like just perfect roses. Like, they're real roses, guys, and they're gonna last you a whole year. So like I said, if you guys want something like this for your studio, I'll have it linked down below for you guys so you guys can purchase them and get $15 off. They're based in New York City. Their actual name is Rose Forever New York. You can see their little logo there. You can actually have them like this, but for my studio, because I feel like I don't know, I'm gonna have them here in the studio kind of like this, and look how that looks. So when they reached out to me and they wanted to send me these roses, I got re-inspired to redecorate my studio. So that is what I'm going to do. I have the bags from last week's video. I did go to At Home and I purchased some stuff, so let me get it. It's back there in my little cubby. And I also have my Top Shelf Beauty big box. I'm like, is it the trunk or the big box? It's the big box that I'm gonna unbox with you guys as well. So let's get it started. So first I'm gonna show you what I got in the Top Shelf Beauty big box. This is a gray t-shirt that says, I am powerful and strong, I am beautiful and brave, I will use my voice and I will uplift voices. This is really cute. This is like affirmations. Me and the kids do affirmations. Why is it so hard to say that? Affirmations every morning. I am powerful and strong, I am beautiful and brave. Yes ma'am. Okay, this is really cool. So we got green tape. I've been wanting to try this tape. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. It's Jesicavxo, just like here. And I do every Saturday, staple Saturdays. I did miss last week. Last week I was kind of off my Instagram game because there's been a lot going on. Not only the kids are starting school next week, but just like other stuff that just has kind of put me in like a bad mood. So Rose Forever reaching out to me to sending me roses has just got me feeling a little bit better, you know. But I do, like I said, did I mention I do a series called Staple Saturdays, and every Saturday I post an IGTV talking about like my favorite lash items, something you need in your lash stash. And I was talking about tape, and I mentioned I want a green tape. I want to try this tape out, and we got it in this month's box, so I'm really excited. This is by Island Lash. And then we got some iPads. Ooh, a pink color. What? I would open it, but I'm not sure if these are like for me or for clients. They feel really thick in here, but it doesn't seem like there's a seal, so like if I open it I can't reseal it, so that's nice. Lash Anarchist. This is pro-made storage strips. I have so many and I need to start pro making once again. A Top Shelf Beauty keychain. That's really cute. Some of these things that I hate. No effing way. Cute. It is so big. It fits like from my head, no, from here to my toes, and I am 5'2", so it's pretty big. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Chanel. This box was pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly open everything and then come back to film because everything is individually wrapped, like thank you at home, but I am not gonna unwrap this because this video will take way too long. My videos are already pretty long as is, so give me 1 second. I closed the curtains so the lighting could be a little bit better, and I did push you guys back so you guys could get an overall view of my cubby. And I'm just going to be pulling things that I'm going to be moving around, and I'll show you guys what I got at the store at home. So the first thing I did really want to switch out was my sage stick holder, my smudge sage stick. I still don't know how to fully sage, but I just do it and say affirmations and then just say positive things every Saturday when I'm done with my clients, because Saturday is the last day I lash. I also sage my recliner and just like start from the end of the room with the door open and then just like saying good stuff and saying hopefully I have good blessings here in the studio. If you know how to sage properly or how I should do it to get like the most effectiveness, leave it down in the comments. If there's like a YouTube video you guys recommend and you guys really like, that would be very much appreciated. But this is a candle that it's not a candle, it was a candle, and I melted it all the way and just cleaned it out, but I wanted to switch it out for something different, so I got this little bowl here. I think it just looks a little bit more cuter and more elegant. I also got this little girl here. Look how beautiful she is. My mom actually purchased her for me, and she just seems so relaxed and so calm. I don't know where I want to put her. You know what? I am going to do it by myself and then come back and show you guys, because I don't know exactly what I want to do. I need to keep like looking back and keep messing with things, and if I'm like recording, it's just not, it's gonna take me way too long. I do want to share with you guys this bad boy here. This is a snow globe that I got in Las Vegas. It is my hometown. That's where I moved from. Look how beautiful it is, but I think it's time for her to go, and I could bring like a little, you know, frame with something from home. But Give me 1 second. The lighting is going to be a little weird because the sun is setting, so I'm just using some artificial lighting. But let's go quickly over what I did. I purchased this at home right here. My crystal, one of my clients gave it to me a while back. In here I have some crystals that I've accumulated over the years. Every time we do road trips back to Vegas, I always get some. And inside I added some spoolies just for like a little cute DIY touch. When people glance over here, they're going to be like, hey, those are some spoolies. So that's my little DIY touch. I got my little woman right here. My mom actually purchased that for me. A little lantern, the little thing that I have to have in here. Stay in, unplug, restore. This is a little decoration I got at home as well. This is just a little eyelash bag. I think 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑶 gave that to me. I have the little forever roses that look so beautiful right there. I have my little XO because of course Jessica the XO. I have this other vase that's the exact same as that one. I did have them together, but then I moved it around, so yeah, it's here now. I have my little candle there, my little smudge, oh, I wasn't even pointing, my little smudge stick, and then just like a cute little decoration, and I kept that candle right there. I do have more things that I want to add here. I just need to get another living plant to add to this one right here. I want a frame to put somewhere in here, and then just keep moving things around to see what looks best. Right next to my cubbies, I have my blankets in this cute little basket. Unfortunately, because of I haven't been covering my clients, I asked them to bring their own blanket, but I have 4 blankets. I would cover each guest with a different blanket. I usually only had 4 to 5 clients a day, and then I would take them home and clean them, but I just haven't felt safe covering my clients. I should just say fuck it and do it, because I really do miss like tucking them in. I'm going to share with you guys what I have in these cubbies because I've never really shared with you guys, and if you guys are nosy like me, you probably want to know what's in here. So in the first one I have paper towels. I didn't organize them or do anything to them, so this is really what I have. I store random stuff in here. So I have paper towels. If I use Lysol to like spray down my recliner, I'll use these to like, you know, dry up the Lysol. I have in here, these are silica beads. Usually when you purchase your adhesive, they come with packets like this, and silica beads are used to absorb moisture. So your adhesive of course cures with moisture in the air, so you have to have silica beads wherever you store your adhesive. I have my adhesive in this container here by 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑶, but because my adhesive is so tiny, it would kind of sometimes fall over and be like this, and you don't want that. So I used to just have them with these in there, and like I said, my adhesive would always be like to the side. So I decided to find some silica beads, and they are blue, as you can tell. Once they absorb as much moisture as they can, they're not working anymore, they turn pink, and then you microwave them and they'll turn blue once again. I purchased this on Amazon. If you guys want to check out my Amazon storefront, I have everything that I ever purchased from Amazon for my studio linked down below. You guys can go check them out, but it says right here you can bake them or you can microwave them for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, and then the beads are ready for more moisture. So they're blue, like I said. Once they use once they absorb all the moisture that they can, they're going to turn pink, and that's when you have to microwave them and they turn back blue. And it's a big package, so if you have 2 girls lashing with 2 different containers, it'll be enough for 2. I also have in here some lip masks. So these I usually throw in my aftercare bag. So if someone purchases an aftercare kit, I'll throw in a lip mask just to say thank you. Again, this is in my Amazon storefront. I also have some hand sanitizer in here. In here, I just have some stuff that I'm giving away to my 5K giveaway winner. A tweezer stand. She's also getting the cami fan by me, and some other giveaway things that if I'm not going to use, or if I have double of and I just want to give away, I'll just throw in here for future giveaways. And this one right here, I have a mixture of just random stuff. So I have in here some wallflower little fragrances, some snacks in case I get hungry. I have batteries for like my little I should take them home because I am not using these anymore. I did take them off of the mirror. Some batteries. I have these from Christmas. I should have been taking them home. I think I was gonna use them, but for Christmas I do like to decorate. I have like a little Christmas tree that I put in here and use like mascara wands as candy canes. I have some little, this I used to have a little bit of gnats on one of my plants. I think I was overwatering her and she got like little flies. I put these on her and boom, they're all gone. More hand sanitizer. This one's like almost running out. This one is a lavender and this is tea tree. They smell amazing. Some nail polish remover in case you get adhesive stuck on your like your tweezers. Some water for my plants. Some distilled water for my mister. I do buy them in gallons, but I don't want to have a gallon in here because I have no space in here. Like I have minimal space in here, so I have this. Instead, I have these little packets for my letterboard. I also have a lighter for my smudge stick. And then just some barbicide just to use here in the studio. Last but not least, in here, I usually have my retail. At the moment, I only have one breakdown, and that's the oil-free makeup remover by 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑶. One large lash bath and one mini lash bath. So I'm hoping, I don't think I have any full sets this week, and then I'm hoping my clients that are coming back for touch-ups don't need to restock on their aftercare kit. I'm going to be repurchasing them tonight. I usually have the boxes in here. I'll have a picture of how I have my retail set up for my clients to see, and if they do want to purchase something, I just come in here and get the boxes and set it up for them. I have like little bags here, but I have out like the picture that I showed you is how I have my retail set up right next to where my clients check out. So if anyone does need something, I do have 3 little items left for them to purchase. I also have in here some spoolie wand covers. I have these on my Amazon storefront. I also usually have like makeup brushes, but to like cleanse the eye area. Right now my manufacturer has been out for like since hit, and I haven't been able to get any in. But if you guys have some that you guys prefer, like from a Lash brand or something like that, leave it in the comments down below for I can check them, so I can check them out. Then I also have in here cool downs. I always have extra cool downs because my girls love purchasing these like just out of nowhere, and they just are so cooling. They are just little eye masks. They depuff your eye area and things like that. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to share this video with a lash friend. I'm sure they would want to see my little DIY mascara wand crystal decoration that I did. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe to my channel by clicking my face right here. Click it and you are subscribed to the channel. And don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.